It's going.
Is it going? You got your belt on?
I got my belt on.
All right. August 21st, 2011. Zach Dunning, on behalf of his parents, Colleen and Fred Dunning, driving stick solo, first time with a stall. All right. Now,
So pressing the clutch.
clutching the clutch, turn the ignition, release, slow, slow, slow. The brake's on, release the brake. There you go. Now release the emergency brake.
How do I do that?
Lift up. There you go, put it all the way down. Okay, hold on. All right, you need some Schleman muscle. You got it? All right, hold on. All right, let's take it from the top. Ready? Show them what you got. You're good. Show me second.
Hold on, I'll come back around.
Lord help us. Second. Yeah, that's it. First solo mission. Like the Apollo, like the Challenger. Well, not the Challenger. We all know what happened there. Looking good. 14 years old, driving a 5-speed. Ain't no thing. Give me second. Nice. Looking good. Downshifter. Bring it on home, Daddy. Neutral. Emergency brake up. Release the clutch. Done deal. Make sure we've got it.
We got it.